In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and use custom fonts in Canva. If you've ever tried to keep your designs consistent with a brand style, you already know how important the right font can be. Using the wrong typeface can make a design feel off, even if everything else looks great. The good news is that Canva makes it possible to upload and use your own custom fonts, so you're not limited to the default options. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find the right area, upload your font file, confirm the licensing prompt, and then apply that font inside a design. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to canva.com. Once the site loads, sign into your Canva account so you can access your dashboard and brand tools. After you're on the Canva homepage, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Canva keeps the main navigation options for your workspace. Find the section labeled Brand and click it. This will take you to the area where your brand assets are managed. Inside the Brand section, open the Brand Kit or Brand Studio you want to update. When that workspace opens, scroll past your logos and color palettes until you reach the Fonts section. This is where Canva stores the typography settings connected to your brand. Now look for the option that says Upload a font and click it. A file browser window will open on your computer. From here, locate the font file you want to add. Canva supports common font formats like TTF, OTF, and WAF. So make sure your file is in one of those formats and is ready to upload. Select the file and click Open. At this point, Canva will show a confirmation message asking you to verify that you have the proper rights to use that font. This matters because not every font is licensed for every type of use. If you know you have permission to use it, confirm the upload and let Canva add it to your brand assets. Once the upload is complete, go back to your main dashboard and open the design where you want to use the font. Click into the text box you want to change so the text is selected and the formatting toolbar appears at the top of the editor. Next, click the font drop-down menu in the top toolbar. In the list that appears, look near the top for the Uploaded Fonts section. You should see your newly added font there. Click it and Canva will immediately apply it to the selected text. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG as your file type if you want a high-quality image export, and then click Download to save your finished design, and that's it. You've successfully uploaded and used a custom font in Canva. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the